Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking all about window treatments for kitchens. We all know kitchens need style, but they also need functionality. Whether you want privacy, light control, or simply want to add a little flair, I've got you covered with the best window treatments for kitchens. Let's dive in. 1. Roller shades, sleek and simple. First up, roller shades. These are perfect for a modern, minimalist look. They're easy to clean, come in a variety of fabrics, and are great for controlling light while maintaining a clean and streamlined aesthetic. They're ideal for kitchens because they don't trap dust and grease like traditional curtains can. Two. Roman shades, soft and elegant. Next, we have Roman shades. If you want something soft and elegant, Roman shades are your go-to. They provide a beautiful, layered look, and you can find them in a range of fabrics that suit any kitchen style. Plus, they give you a little more insulation against heat or cold, making them both stylish and functional. 3. Cafe curtains, classic charm. For a charming, casual vibe, cafe curtains are a classic choice. These short curtains cover the lower half of your window, offering privacy while still letting in plenty of light. They're perfect for small kitchens or cozy spaces and are an easy DIY option if you want to get creative. 4. Faux wood blinds, durable and versatile. If you're looking for something durable and easy to maintain, faux wood blinds are a fantastic option. They look just like real wood but are more resistant to moisture and heat, which makes them perfect for the kitchen environment. Five. Sheer curtains, soft and breezy. Sheer curtains are perfect for kitchens that get a lot of natural light. They provide a soft, airy feel, and because they're lightweight, they allow sunlight to filter in while still offering a bit of privacy. Pair them with a heavier curtain or shade for a layered look that gives you flexibility when you need it. 6. Plantation shutters, timeless and customizable. Plantation shutters are a timeless choice that adds elegance and practicality to your kitchen. They're customizable to fit any window size, easy to clean, and give you full control over light and privacy. Whether you have a traditional or modern kitchen, plantation shutters always add a touch of class. 7. Vertical blinds, ideal for large windows. Last but not least, vertical blinds are perfect for larger kitchen windows or sliding glass doors. They provide excellent light control and can be pulled to the side when you want an unobstructed view. Vertical blinds are easy to clean and maintain, making them a practical option for any busy kitchen. And there you have it, fantastic window treatment options for your kitchen. Whether you want something sleek, elegant, or functional, there's a perfect choice for every space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more home design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.